Hey, GX community, this is GX Bob coming to you guys again. Welcome guys, gals, and Bruce Jenners out there. Today is going to be a special edition. Why? Because I noticed I've been getting a lot of Vietnamese people that are reaching out to me. How do I know they're Vietnamese? If you go through some of these comments, they are replying to me in the Vietnamese language. This makes my heart warm up every time I see this. Not because I have the opportunity to help out my own people. It's because the master race has finally trusted me with their in-home DIYs. So today I chose something super simple to do. It is going to be the Lexus GX460 Maintenance Light Reset. I know I have done this in the past, but remember, this one is for the Vietnamese community. I even brought in my neighbor, Phúc, to help me out with the translation to the Vietnamese. So let's go ahead and start over, guys. Hello, GX community. I'm GX Bob. Welcome to the channel. Hi, my fan. My name is the Phúc that bit. Did your maintenance light just pop on? What is the maintenance light? Let's check it out. My friend, do you have the bullshit? You don't know the bullshit? Come. I show you the bullshit. Check this out on your main diagnostic screen. It's just a reminder that you have a vehicle maintenance that needs to be completed. No man, this is the bullshit. Once you completed your maintenance, the next step is to reset that maintenance light. It doesn't shut off by itself. It's manually done by you. First, you're going to want to make sure your odometer shows trip A. If you don't see trip A, you can push this odometer trip button and cycle it until you see trip A. Now, if I push this button, it's going to say trip B. If I push it again, it's going to say odometer. If I push it again, it's going to say trip A. So no matter where you're at, cycle until you get to trip A. My friend, you have to see the A. Know the B, know the C, know the D. Only A. If you don't see the A, you put the odo 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time, 5 time until you see the A. So after you cycle to trip A, you're going to want to go ahead and turn off your vehicle. When you see the A, you have to stop your car. Now while your vehicle is off and your trip is on A, you're going to want to go to your odometer button right here and hold on to it. Do not let go. After you stop the car, you have to put the odo. You put long time, not short time, yeah, my friend, long time. The next step is going to require you to take your foot off the brakes. No push the stop, okay, my friend? While holding the odometer button, you're going to go over with your other finger. You're going to push the start button 2 times. Don't forget, my friend. Hold long time, okay? No short time. You push start 2 times. 1, 2. You're going to see this bar resetting the maintenance data.
1 channel started.
And there you go. The maintenance light disappeared. You see it, my friend? No more bullshit. It go. There you guys have it, maintenance light reset, also translated in Vietnamese for those that are following from the Vietnamese community. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see all of you next time. Peace. Thank you, my friend. You number 1.